Hey guys, this is Janice, and I just wanted to go over a few things before GDLC launches tomorrow, July 1st at 6 p.m. And for those of you who haven't met me yet, I'm Janice. I know there's a few new people on the list, and I want to welcome you to my team. And I hope you look forward to going down the Guaranteed Downline Club journey with me and the rest of my team who've been eagerly awaiting the launch for a few months. So I just wanted to go over some of these rules. If you haven't already seen the webinar where Martin and Roger go over the rules with you. So these are not my rules. They're Roger's and Martin's, the owners of Guaranteed Downline Club. So without further ado, let me get started here. Oh shoot, that doesn't work. Oh, here we go. So rules you need to know before you sign up. You must have a Gmail or Yahoo email address to sign up. Now, the reason for this is because there's less likelihood of GDLC's emails going to your spam filters with Gmail or Yahoo. So if you don't already have a Gmail or Yahoo email address, just go to Gmail, go to Google, find out how to get a new email address. You probably already know how anyway, but just make sure you get a Gmail or a Yahoo address because that's the only way you're going to be able to sign up to Guaranteed Downline Club. Okay, and then next, everybody can only have one account. Okay, you can't have more than one account. Now, the reason for several of these rules is that Roger and Martin are paying us $5 when we join up out of their own pockets. You might wonder, how are they able to do that? Well, these guys have been around for a really, really long time. They've been actually internet marketing for 20 years, I think Roger told me. And so this isn't their first kick at the can. And eventually, I presume that the program is going to have some upgrades that eventually we'll be able to pay them back and start paying the new members. But for now, it's coming out of their own pocket, so they just don't want anybody cheating and trying to get more than one account and make more money than you're supposed to, really. I mean, by cheating. So anybody who's caught cheating will lose their account, just so you know. And I'll show you where you can watch that video again of the webinar where they go over all of these rules themselves and can explain a few more things, probably a little better than I can. Next, only 2 people per household can join GDLC, okay? Only 2. The way they'll be able to check this information is through your IP address. So yeah, just only 2 people. You can't, if you got 6 in your family, sorry, you can't all join up. Each person can only sign up for themselves. You may not sign up for somebody else. You can guide them through how to do it, but you may not actually sign up for them. Once again, refer to the webinar. I'll show you where to find it at the end of this presentation. Don't sign up with a proxy server or a VPN, virtual protocol, I think virtual protocol something, I forget. But anyway, just don't, because they have also ways to find out if you're doing that. And for all of these reasons, you can just totally lose your account. So just don't even try. Do not purchase paid signups or paid to join signups. There are websites out there that do this kind of stuff. And if you're caught doing this, you will lose your account. I've never looked into this kind of thing, so I don't know where to point you to know even what that is, but they explain that again also in the webinar. So make sure you watch that webinar before tomorrow. I think this is going to, here we go. Confirmation emails might go to promotions or spam. So make sure, why is that not going away? Make sure, oh shit, sorry you guys, I have to go all the way back here. I'll just go like this. So confirmation emails might go to your promotions or your spam folders. So make sure you check those folders to confirm sign up after you get your link to sign up, okay? And then, just reiterating here that Roger and Martin will have systems put in place that will notify them of anyone who's trying to circumnavigate the system or otherwise cheat. Anyone who is found cheating will lose their account, period. So we're giving you a really good forewarning what not to do, so you shouldn't lose your account as long as you follow these rules. And once again, the $5 and the 50 cents per person are coming out of their own pockets. So hopefully you can understand why they've set up the system this way. And now you can, paid to click signups are okay. Paid to read signups are okay. And in order to know more about that, watch that webinar, okay? This is not something I've ever done before either, so I don't even know where you would find that stuff. And then on the money plugin, the money plugin gets you commissions for up to 3 levels, and I'll show you on the next slide how that works. So let's go over the money plugin a little bit here. So let's just say this is you, or I'll just use me because it's just easier for me to think in the first person. So here I sign up Johnny. Johnny doesn't get the money plugin. And then Johnny signs up Susie and Akhtar. Well, Susie gets the money plugin. So you can see here, Susie MP for a money plugin. Because Susie gets the money plugin, and because Johnny doesn't have the money plugin, I'm going to earn the $1.50 commission from Susie buying the money plugin. Akhtar doesn't get the money plugin, so there is no commission to be made. Then Akhtar gets 2 signups. She gets Verena and Vladimir, who also get the money plugin. And because Akhtar didn't get the money plugin, Johnny doesn't get the commission either because he didn't get the money plugin, but I do. So you guys, this is why you might want to consider getting the money plugin. It's only $19.97. Now, of course, depending where you live in the world, you have to do the conversion into your own currency. So then here's another example too. So Susie got the money plugin. She sponsors Jose, who got the money plugin. I did this wrong. I think this line should go to Susie. She should get that. She should get that commission. Fred didn't get the money plugin, so that doesn't matter. These guys both got it. Helena, I sponsor Helena. She got the money plugin. She sponsors Ahmed, and he got the money plugin, so she gets the commission for the money plugin. She sponsored Les, who got the money plugin, so she gets the commission for the money plugin, and I don't because she got the money plugin. So you guys, it's a pass-up system. So if you don't get the money plugin, the person and your sponsor does get the money plugin, the person above you is going to get the commission, or the person above them that got the money plugin if the person above you didn't. So basically that's how it works. I don't know why I did this way, but I can't change it on this slide because it's just a screenshot. But anyway, I hope that helps you understand. This is the 3 levels: Johnny, Akhtar, and Verena are 3 levels, okay? So next, I just wanted to talk about launch day. Launch day is, I am in Pacific Standard Time right now. It's currently June 30th. Tomorrow, July 1st is launch date. So for some of you, depending where you are, maybe you're in Thailand or you're in Australia, you're already on July 1st. So it doesn't launch for you today, this minute. It's going to launch tomorrow, Pacific Standard Time. So you're going to need to go to the world time clock and figure out, coordinate your time zones so you know when this is all happening. So I respectfully request that you give me a half an hour after the launch to get my own ducks in a row, because what's going to happen is I'm going to be getting my own link to sign up to GDLC from Roger and Martin. And then at that time, I have to log into my new GDLC account. I have to find my new affiliate URL. And I am also going to get the money plugin, just FYI. And so I need a few minutes to purchase that. And then I'm going to be able to send out my affiliate URL to all of you. And so if you're just chomping at the bit to get this going right away, please I respectfully request that you give me a half an hour to get my own ducks in a row, okay? Once again, go to the world time zone clock and coordinate your time with Pacific Standard Time. I'll show you where you can find that in a sec. And how you can expect to receive your GDL sign-up link from me is this. I'll be sending out an email blast from my autoresponder. So watch out for that email from me. Make sure you check your spam folders, check your promotions folders. It's not likely it'll go to your updates. Hopefully it goes straight to your inbox, but make sure you check those folders. If you have not already whitelisted my email address, please do so as soon as you watch this video. Basically, you can just add me to your contacts and then you'll be whitelisted. Otherwise, just go to Google and see how to whitelist an email. And I will also be posting the URL in the Facebook group. Okay, so if you haven't joined the Facebook group yet, it's called Affiliate Marketing and Make Money Online and Affiliate Marketing with Janice Giesinger. And you would have received an email with how to find that group. It's also in your training materials. It's at the bottom of every email that I send out. So you guys, there's no reason that you shouldn't have that URL already. And if you haven't signed up, it's a really good way to stay updated. It's not a rah-rah group. It literally is a place where I just like to keep people updated and post videos, how-to videos, in case there's something you don't know how to do. It may or may not be related to Guaranteed Downline Club. It might just be related to making money online and affiliate marketing. So please make sure you do that. These two things, with these two methods, I've pretty much got my bases covered. There's no reason you shouldn't be able to sign up to GDLC as soon as I post the link, okay? And finally, I would just like to thank you all so much to all of those of you who have stuck with me since I started promoting the pre-launch of Guaranteed Downline Club several months ago. I think I started promoting it in like March 30th or something like that. There have been lots of changes, you know, launch date changes, and I've had to change my materials and you know, and I've helped quite a few people out. Just so you know, I've personally helped several people with a few things. So if you don't think I'm for real, that I don't help people, just go into the group and ask who's been helped. And I'm pretty sure that they will do a shout out for me. And if you guys do, I really appreciate that. So I really appreciate you signing up under me and letting me be your sponsor. And I really look forward to supporting you along your journey with GDLC. And so one more thing, I will escape here. I just wanted to show you the world time clock. All I did was Google world time clock, and this is the first page, the first thing that shows up in the Google search. So you can go here and you can just look for your city down here, or maybe it's a city that's close to you. So if you live in Sydney, Australia, just go here. It's currently, right now where I am, it's 3:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so in Sydney, it is 8:10 a.m. So that is 3, 4, 7. So you guys, if you live in Sydney, you're 17 hours ahead of us. Okay? So let's see, if you live in Auckland is the same. Let's try something like Berlin. In Berlin, it's currently 12:11 a.m. So you can just go to this world time clock and find out how to coordinate your schedule with 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I wanted to show you that. And I also wanted to go to my Facebook page. This is Make Money Online and Affiliate Marketing with Janice Giesinger. Go ahead and join this group. There are a few questions to answer, and if you don't answer the questions, you're just simply not going to be approved. There's a few people who want to join this group, but they haven't answered the questions. There's absolutely no spamming your links in this group, and whatever the other questions are, I can't remember what I specified, but you have to answer them, and then you'll be automatically approved. Okay, and when you come in here, you'll see how to get ready for the GDLC launch. Here's the last GDLC webinar. I posted it here in the group for you to watch. And if you go down further, the webinar, if you haven't seen it already, that talks about all the rules that you need to know before you join GDLC are in this webinar here. Okay, it's about 50 minutes long. They go into a little bit more detail about why not to purchase paid to join people. Okay, so they can tell you a little bit more about that. So once again, you guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I also, like I said, I really, really appreciate you joining under me. I'm here to help you. There's several ways for you to get in touch, and I've left all of those in your training area. So just refer to that, refer to the emails I've sent you. And you guys, I really look forward to working with you. I can't wait till tomorrow, July 1st at 6 p.m. so I can get that link sent out to you guys. And enjoy the rest of your day. Get all your ducks in a row and let's go do this thing. All right, bye.